Albeit nurtured in democracy, and liking best that state republican, where every man is king like and no man is crowned above his fellows. Yet I see, in spite of this modern fret for liberty, better the rule of one whom all obey, than to let clamorous demagogues betray our freedom with the kiss of anarchy. Wherefore I love them not whose hands profane plant the red flag upon the piled up street, for no right cause beneath whose ignorant reign arts, culture, reverence, honor, all things fame, save treason and the dagger of their trade, and murder with his silent bloody feet. Albeit nurtured in democracy, and liking best that state republican, where every man is king like and no man is crowned above his fellows. Yet I see, in spite of this modern fret for liberty, better the rule of one whom all obey, than to let clamorous demagogues betray our freedom with the kiss of anarchy. Wherefore I love them not whose hands profane plant the red flag upon the piled up street, for no right cause beneath whose ignorant reign arts, culture, reverence, honor, all things fade, save treason and the dagger of our trade, and murder with his silent bloody feet.